How to solve battery drain problem on iOS 18. If you updated your phone to iOS 18 and then you noticed a battery drain issue that you're facing, there are a couple of reasons why this could be happening. First, let your phone settle. So right after updating, there will be many things that are resources that are going to be used during the update process. That is why it could consume a battery. So let it settle for 2 to 3 days and just check if the battery drain remains the same, just like how you were using before, because right after updating you will definitely notice some kind of battery deterioration. Some of the things that I would recommend that you do is you can try to turn off background app refresh. So go to general on your iPhone and simply go to background app refresh section over here and make sure to turn off background app refresh, because when you turn on background app refresh, these applications are going to get constantly refreshed in the background. So then after that you will not be able to go ahead and then keep your battery in the maximum condition all of the time. You can also try to turn off location or data services if you're not using them. So you can also see Bluetooth, which is not currently in use but it's enabled, so turn off Bluetooth. Similarly for cellular data, or similarly for other options, you can just try to use auto brightness instead and try to decrease the brightness, and instead of using light mode you can just try to use dark mode, which will help in turn help you save a lot of battery in the process, as you can see right here. So it'll save you a lot of battery, so you just have to make sure that you set this to dark mode and then see if that actually helps you as well. You can also go to the battery section. You can try to use low power mode. You can check your battery health and charging, see what kind of things are consuming more battery, and try to limit those activities as well. So these are some of the ways that we can go ahead and then solve battery drain problem in iOS 18. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.